All right, some additional functionality that the app has is the ability to present data that is contextualized or makes sense for the guy who is operating the app. And so, one way you might want to look at the app is sorted by concentration. So you could go in here and sort your machines from the leanest to the richest. You could sort them from the richest to the leanest. You could go in here, do the same thing on the pH, sort by the pH value. And then you can also sort by what we call health. So this is kind of a ranking on any machines that may have some work to do on concentration or may have some work to do on pH situation dependent. So you have those sorting options. The other thing you have that we find helpful in larger shops is the ability to group machines based on logical groups in your plant. So you may have a shop where you've got a bunch of mill turns and you've got a guy who really only wants to look at just that subset of data. And so the app allows you to go in and create different groups of machines to look at different scenarios. And so we find that really helpful with some of our larger facilities. The other thing that the app has is the ability to filter on certain parameters. And so one of the filters that you could filter on is no concentration value collected today. Another one that you could sort on is no pH collected today. How these are used as actually as a task list for when you're going around and doing the concentration or the pH data collection because they drop off the list as you add data in. So a couple different ways to sort and group information within our app.